Hey, welcome into Grill 143. I'm JJ. This is episode number 10, and today we're making one of my favorites, chicken bacon ranch sandwich for dinner. So let's get into it. Let's first things first, if you want to come on in there, cameraman. You can see we got our chicken breast. I got a half a pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast here, and I have it finely sliced up. We're gonna cook this like a cheesesteak style. So we got this sliced up nice and thin. We got to also have a half a pound of bacon right here. And as you can see, we have this all in the same pan. It's gonna cook it all together. So let's go ahead and get this fired up on to about a medium-high heat. Go ahead, kind of mix these together a little. And if you want to, season this up with a little salt and fresh cracked pepper. All right, mix this in a little bit. There's really no need to over season this because with the cheese and the ranch dressing on here, you're not gonna taste much of the seasoning. All right, so while that's cooking, let's get into everything else. Here we're gonna use French bread. I have a half a loaf of French bread from my local bakery, because we're only gonna feed a couple people tonight, so we don't need a real big sandwich. I also have 2 cups of shredded cheese. This is a Colby and Monterey Jack blend, but you can use Swiss cheese or whatever your favorite cheese is for this. And of course we have our ranch dressing with bacon as well. So to get your favorite ranch dressing, all right, this is cooking up real nice. While that's finishing up, we're gonna go ahead and take our bread and our ranch dressing, give it a good shake. We're gonna put some ranch dressing right straight onto the bread. Don't be afraid to use a lot of ranch dressing. With this sandwich, the messier the better. There it is, that's what we're looking for. Now we're just waiting on the meat. This is cooking up real nice. It's only been on here for about 4 minutes. You can see this chicken is soaking up that bacon grease. All right, this has been on here for about 5, maybe 6 minutes. This is looking really good. Because we sliced it up so thin, it cooks up real quick on a nice medium-high heat. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go and shut this off. We bring this over to our plate, to our bread, excuse me. Just gonna start scooping this on here. Look at all that bacon, that chicken. All right, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take our cheese, just come right over top with this. I got about 2 cups in here. Use as much or as little cheese as you like. It's up to you. It's just all about taste. If you like cheese, load the sucker up. What we're gonna do next, we're gonna take this. I have the broiler set on low. We're gonna pop this into the broiler for about 2 minutes. Just long enough to toast the bread a little bit and melt that cheese. So keep an eye on it. You don't wanna overdo it in the broiler. All right, so it's been right at 2 minutes. Check this out. Look at that. That is what we're looking for right there. Get a nice close-up of that. Go ahead and start in with a close-up of this. And all right, this is done in the broiler. This is looking good. The last thing I forgot to mention, when I sliced this French bread, you can see I didn't cut it all the way through. I left it kind of like a hot dog bun opened up. That makes it easier to fold when we go to fold this. Watch this. We're just gonna take this, fold it over. Oh, look at that. And there is my dinner. I don't know what Jet's gonna eat, but this is all mine. Well, I can't wait to tear into this thing. It looks amazing. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to join us here at Grill 143. Hopefully you like this recipe. We'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.